Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet Corvette, $16,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1989 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is listed at $16,500 in Las Vegas, Nevada. It shows 46,300 miles and carries a clean title. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it is finished in white with a gray and black interior and includes a removable targa top. The first 2 owners drove the car sparingly, and the current owner has averaged approximately 5,000 miles per year since December 2021. It runs strong and consistently passes smog testing. The check engine light remains on due to a generic mass airflow meter installed in August 2022. The air conditioning requires repair, but overall this C4 Corvette remains a solid example of late 1980s American performance. Number 2. 1963 Cadillac Sedan Deville, $17,900, Bonita near San Diego, California. Offered at $17,900 in Bonita near San Diego, California, this 1963 Cadillac Sedan Deville 4-door hardtop shows 44,000 miles and has a clean California title. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car retains its original paint and is notably rust-free, consistent with a lifelong Southern California vehicle. The brake system was recently serviced, and it runs smooth and strong. There is a small dent on the driver's side rear quarter panel, and the front seats would benefit from reupholstering. A well-preserved survivor that captures the bold styling and luxury Cadillac was known for in the early 1960s. Number 3. 1957 Chevrolet Panel Delivery, $18,000, Silverdale, Washington. This 1957 Chevrolet Panel Delivery is priced at $18,000 in Silverdale, Washington, and comes with a clean title. It is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. Featuring a Fenton split manifold and dual exhaust, it is described as very solid and running well. Panel delivery trucks from this era are increasingly collectible and provide a strong foundation for restoration or enjoyable cruising in their current condition. Number 4. 1950 Ford Sedan, $16,000, Payette, Idaho. Listed at $16,000 in Payette, Idaho, this 1950 Ford Sedan shows 100,000 miles and has a clean title. It retains its original flathead 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Aside from custom black cherry paint and upgraded wheels, the car remains largely original. It runs, shifts, and brakes well. The shoebox Ford design marked a major styling transition in post-war America, and this example presents as a solid driver quality classic. Number 5. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, $19,500, Santa Maria, California. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is offered at $19,500 in Santa Maria, California. It shows 67,000 miles and has a clean title. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by gasoline, it remains one of the most iconic American cars ever produced. The 1955 model launched the famous Tri-5 era, and even today, a Bel Air in good condition continues to be highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. Number 6. 1950 Ford two-door custom modified, $19,000, Silverdale, Washington. Priced at $19,000 in Silverdale, Washington, this 1950 Ford two-door custom modified shows 82,000 miles and carries a clean title. It is powered by an Oldsmobile 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. Upgrades include power steering, power brakes, a 12-volt electrical conversion, recently rebuilt transmission, and refreshed brake system. Finished in black with white and black upholstery, it features French lights, remote door poppers, and white wall tires. A well-executed traditional custom with documentation included. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro, $18,000, Stockton, California. This original 1973 Chevrolet Camaro is listed at $18,000 in Stockton, California. It shows 100,000 miles and has a clean title. Powered by its original 350 engine and automatic transmission, it is described as drive-ready and in great condition. As an early second-generation Camaro built before later styling updates, it offers classic muscle car character and serves as a strong platform for a project or weekend cruiser. Number 8. 1973 Chevrolet Nova Custom Coupe, $17,000, Vallejo and Benicia, California. Offered at $17,000 in Vallejo and Benicia, California, this 1973 Chevrolet Nova Custom Coupe shows 86,150 miles and has a clean title. It is powered by its original 350 engine paired with the matching 350 transmission and rear end. The car runs and drives, features a 1972 front-end conversion, and includes a new interior. Finished in red and without air conditioning, it remains a classic compact muscle car with strong street presence. Number 9. 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, $18,000, Dows, Iowa. This 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix is priced at $18,000 in Dows, Iowa. It shows 85,000 miles and carries a clean title. It is powered by a 400 cubic inch engine equipped with a new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. Finished in purple and described as rust-free, it runs great and presents in excellent condition. The 1969 model helped define the personal luxury muscle car segment with its long hood styling and strong performance. Number 10. 1980 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $16,000, Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. Offered at $16,000 in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, this 1980 Cadillac Coupe Deville shows 84,000 original miles and has a clean title. It is powered by a 368 cubic inch big block 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car retains its original mint paint, vinyl top, and flawless interior with zero rust. All power features are functional. It includes upgraded audio equipment, the original stereo, brand new wire wheels with matching spare, and additional accessories. A well-preserved luxury coupe representing the final era of traditional Cadillac rear-wheel drive comfort and presence.